Welcome to the School of Continuing Studies Library at Georgetown University. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring how to use the market research database Mintel. After completing this tutorial, you will be able to access Mintel through the library website and also use Mintel to find market and consumer information. To access Mintel from the School of Continuing Studies Library homepage, select Databases along the top menu, type in Mintel, and then select the database. Mintel's home screen gives you a variety of ways to search for information. You can use the search box to look for information by keyword. You can browse industry categories and subcategories, and you can even explore information by demographic. In this example, we'll imagine that we're looking for a market research report on chocolate. Probably the easiest way to find this would just be to enter in the search term chocolate in the search box and run the search. Once we've run the search, you can see all of the relevant information that comes up from Mintel. We can easily see two research reports that come right up, but on the right side, we also see some current news articles that Mintel has to give you. To focus our content just on research reports, we can change the content type to only reports. Once we've filtered to reports, we can choose the report we'd like to view. In this case, it would be the Chocolate Confectionery in the United States report from May of 2020. Once you have the report open, you'll see a variety of ways to access the information within the report. Some of the more popular methods of viewing information in Mintel reports include just downloading the executive summary, the full report, or just scrolling through the table of contents. Using the table of contents can be particularly effective if you're only looking for one specific type of information. Let's say, for example, you are interested in consumer behavior. If you open that tab up, you can see all of the consumer behavior related data and analysis that this report contains. Even if you're not sure of the specific section of the report that you're looking for, browsing the tabs within the table of contents can be incredibly helpful. For example, if you open up the Market tab, you can get information on market size and forecast. And under the Brand and Company tab, you can find out who key players and possible competitors are. Before closing out the report, make sure to take note of the newer or older reports that have been published on the same topic, as they might help contextualize the information. Also, make sure to recognize and document the author of this research report, as this will be helpful when you're creating a citation. This concludes our introduction to Mintel. If you would like additional information on Mintel or other products and services that the School of Continuing Studies Library offers, please email us at scslibrary@georgetown.edu or call us at 202-784-7389.